realise you were like that, it doesn't make you very happy. And I've got some making up to do.
What's life like? The worst thing is just being out from Carol. That's the main thing. It just bothers me being away from home and Carol's death and everything else. It's late January. New window
Product of the year 2007.
Switch.com. Our free impartial service compares rates, costs and features from different lenders and credit card providers, helping you back to February the 14th, Valentine's Day. What's happening with that deadline?
I think Valentine's Day is cancelled. I reckon that I would be behind anyway. I've thought that for quite some time. The builders admitted that defeat on hitting that deadline.
So when is it going to be finished?
Well, I need to get that holiday right by 26th to come here while I water. So, I can't even bear the thought of moving into another holiday, and I must be in the house at that time.
There's quite a lot of work in it. Do you think that's still a realistic deadline?
Am I getting a little impractical again?
Maybe, yeah. Valentine's Day finally arrives. Carol had hoped to have their family back together today. But instead of cooking Sean a romantic meal, she's alone with the pieces of the kitchen he's lovingly designed. One meat of raw, and that looks good. It's not Carol's day. A flat few of gas for stuff.
Alright.
Session working. Session sewing.
I'm a bit cross with everybody today. I don't have a romantic Valentine's evening moving kitchen units round. They're just having a nice meal. So I'm supposed to move in today, wasn't I, boss? I don't even think I've got any drink. I need drink.
But later that night, Sean makes a surprise visit. The first thing he wants
having a major impact in the north. The water level in the north has risen by more than 3. This northern part is a fraction of what originally was the Aral Sea, but at least something has been saved. Richard Alpin, BBC News at the Aral Sea.
The scheme to encourage people to get out into the countryside has been so successful that it's to be expanded nationwide. Hidden Britain aims to overcome rural deprivation by getting people out of the cities and into the country. Organisers now want people all over the country to tell them about their favourite places. Nikki Cardwell reports.
There's nothing quite like the British countryside in spring, but despite the footpath...
Well, whatever the future holds for Northumberland's hill farmers, at least now there's a record, not just of the incredible landscape, but also of the incredible people who work in those landscapes.
Michaela there reporting from Northumberland on how art mirrors life. Now the old Nag's Head here in Evale is the official start of the Pennine Way, and as we've seen, the impact of open access can have serious effects to the countryside, but it can also cause problems when people get lost up on the moors. Evale Mountain Rescue is one of the 7 teams operating in the National Park. It's one of the big good conditions, and many more in poor conditions. John, I understand you're one of the senior dog handlers. What were you doing there?
Well, we've hidden a hat, which of course carries the human scent, the